So now we're going to look at the solution to exercise number 3. Write a Python program that prints out all the steps of the complete tea-making algorithm from this link here. Each step should be printed on a separate line. Okay, so let's go to that link. So you'll remember this from the first session. This is where we looked at the different tea-making algorithms and evaluated them. So I said the complete algorithm, which was the first one, because remember, every other algorithm every other algorithm in double quotes is not really an algorithm by our definition. So we're going to do the first one here, a complete correct algorithm for making a cup of tea. So bear with me. So I'm going to, can I move that over there, and I'll move this over here so I can see both. So I've created another exercise file for this, and I'm going to go print. We're going to start number 1. Put the tea bag in the cup. I'm going to actually, if you don't mind, I'm going to make this a bit smaller so I can see what I'm doing. Print 2. Fill the kettle with water. It's embarrassing because I don't drink tea. I don't typically make tea, so it's almost like I need to look at the instructions myself just to know, remind myself of the steps. Boil the water in the kettle. Print step number 4, which is pour some of the boiled water into the cup. Print step 5. Add milk to the cup. Print 6. Add sugar to the cup. Maybe you don't take sugar with your tea. You're probably better off. You could leave that step out. 7. Stir the tea in the cup for 5 seconds. Print step 8, the final step. Drink the tea from the cup. And full stop because it's the last step in the list. And let's run that. Make this bigger again so I can see what I'm doing. There we go. And there's all our 8 steps. I didn't go with the \n solution from the last video purely because that would have been very difficult to read as the line got longer and longer and longer. Fill the kettle with water. You can imagine if I was to take all of these other steps here and keep adding them over here, the line of code would be too long to read. So from a readability perspective, this is not something we would do very often unless there's a good reason to do it. So I'll take that back out. And there we go. That is the solution to exercise number 3.